up guys, Sadhya from Nasdaq, and today in this video I'm going to unbox the brand new Dell Inspire 155000. So here it is. Basically I got it from Dell showroom itself, which cost me around 83,000. I did not order it from Flipkart or any other online platform. So let's unbox this premium laptop. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button. So guys, let's unbox this laptop which I got. This is very special to me. So let's set this out here. Opening this. The first thing which I get to see is that user manual and warranty card, which comes with 1 year of warranty. These are all kind of boring things. Let's keep this aside. And there's a power cable. Since this laptop is it's not a gaming laptop, it does not support fast charging. So the company has given 65 watt AC adapter. You can see it. So let me take this actual thing which you are much awaited to look at. So let me take this out. Guys, this is the first view of the laptop. You can have a view on it. And talking about the physical part, I got the silver colored one. The branding is placed on the center. You can see it. And the building quality is super cool. And the laptop is very thin. You can have a view on that. The laptop is very thin and weighs about 1.71 kg. And talking about the ports, it has 3.5mm headphone jack which supports microphone, and 3.2 USB port and a micro SD card slot. And coming to the right side part of the laptop, it has a charging port with a LED indicator and HDMI port for sharing screen with monitor or TVs, and another USB port for connecting it with a mouse or keyboard or anything else. And it has a Type C port which is used for fast charging or used in data transfer. So guys, moving on to the bottom part of the laptop, they have given an Inspire branding right over here and a quite large air vent, you can see here, which prevents eating while working. And they have given 4 apertures on the sides of the bottom to prevent scratches. And it comes with dual built-in speakers right over here and here, with high wave audio max sounds, and the sound clarity is also quite good. So guys, opening the laptop, the backlit light of the keyboard glows as soon as the laptop opens. The backlit light of keyboard can be switched on or switched off based on your convenience by pressing F5 command key. So it comes with full-size international keyboard with the numerical keys, and it has fingerprint sensor right over here. It even acts as a power button. It has precision touchpad which supports multitasking. It even has a HD webcam and 2 microphones on the either side of the cam. The laptop sound clarity is quite interesting. So guys, talking about the display, it has 15.6 full HD LED backlit anti-glare display. The video quality is quite awesome. There is no words to describe it. Take a look at it once. So I forgot one thing. They have given 2 extra air vent. You can see right over here, which provides a better cooling for the laptop. About the main part about the laptop is that processor, which comes with 1065 G7 variant processor with a clock speed of 1.3 GHz with a turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, which is a quite interesting thing. So this laptop is basically 10 Gen and i7 model with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM. And the main part is that it includes Microsoft Office and Student 2019 software, and it even has a built-in Windows 10. It even has a 2 GB dedicated graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce, which increase the performance and give the performance which does not match with any other laptop. Talking about the battery part, the company has assured that it gives 6 hours of battery life, but my opinion is that it lasts for around 5 hours a day, and it even charges within 1 hour. Since the laptop is thin and lightweight, the laptop can be carried anywhere, like it's portable and can be used in any social place like park or any other things. Since the laptop is light in weight, you can see in the beginning of the video, the battery backup does not meet your expectations. From this, I conclude one thing, that Dell is not just doing well, but it's just doing better than any other ethnic companies. So guys, if you are doing any engineering courses or pursuing any technical courses, I strongly suggest you to buy this laptop because it does its job done in a decent manner. So, and if you are a normal worker, like if you are working in offices or any other IT fields, this laptop will be very useful for you. Although the laptop is quite expensive, it worth the money. So if you are planning to buy the laptop in this price, and don't think further, just go for it. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please keep supporting us. And the main important thing is that your one like gives us more encouragement to do more interesting videos. And the other important thing is that stay safe, stay healthy, wear masks, and maintain social distancing norms. So thank you. Have a nice day.